Hi and welcome to my channel Pepernoot. Today I'm here to tell you about the coat I made from Waffle patterns, but first I really want to thank Lisa from And So On, because this week she hosted a giveaway because she reached 6,000 subscribers, and to celebrate you can win a gift card from Blackbird Fabrics. And in order to participate at this giveaway, she made a list of 9 vloggers who have just started or haven't been discovered yet. And you have to go to one of these channels, leave a comment on their videos, and then go back to the channel of Lisa and let her know that you did that. And then you can win this great gift card. And if you are quick, you still can go to her website and join this giveaway, because it is still 24th of September. And I'm really excited that I'm on that list. So there are a lot of new subscribers this week. Welcome. I really hope you like my videos. And today I'm here to tell you about a coat I made. And I'm so excited because it's always nice when something is finished. And I'm really happy to share it with you today. For the coat I used the pattern from Waffle patterns, the pepernoot coat. And I don't know if you know it, but in the Netherlands a pepernoot is a kind of candy we eat from, I think, from September till the end of the years, because it's a part of a children's fest called Sinterklaas. And we celebrate Sinterklaas at 5 of December. Then Sinterklaas comes to Holland and gives all these presents to the children, and he brings his pieten, and they bring pepernoten and will give that to the people. So I think it's really funny that the waffle pattern shows a name of a Dutch candy. So now you know a little bit more about the Dutch traditions. But today I'm here to tell you about a different kind of pepernoot, the pepernoot coat. Like I said, my coat is done and I am really pleased how it turned out. And I'm really looking forward to wear the coat. On this moment it is a little bit too warm, but in a couple of weeks we will have a lot of cold weather, so I will have a lot of opportunities to wear the coat. I was a little bit afraid that it maybe wouldn't be warm enough, because I only used the outer fabric and lining, but the coat is very nice to wear and lovely warm, so I will be warm enough in the winter, and otherwise I can wear a scarf and then I will be fine. For the pattern I used the pattern called the pepernoot, and I want to tell you a little bit more about this pattern if you are interested to making this pattern yourself. You can buy it as a PDF or as a printed version, and the printed version comes in a PDF size. You can print it home and then you have to tape the pieces together, and it also includes a file which you can use in the copy shop, so that's very nice. I'm very lucky that I own a big printer, so I used the copy size and didn't have to tape all the pieces together. And the pattern comes with a pattern for the outer fabric and with pattern pieces for the lining. In totally there are 22 pattern pieces, 16 for the outer fabric, and I believe 6 for the lining. So that is very nice, that it makes it really easy to work with. And the sizes are from 34 till 48, and that are European sizes. And you can check the size chart to see which size is suited for you. I made in size 40, and if you saw my previous video, then you know that I first made in 12 to check if the fit of the garment is right. And I always like to do that when I know that there's going to be a lot of work into the pattern, and it would be a shame if you're not satisfied with the end results. And the pattern comes with a fully illustrated instructions, which it makes very easy to follow. And you also can go to the blog of the Waffle patterns, and they explain some parts a little bit more. And there are also a few sew-alongs you can find when you Google pepernoot coat. But I also will add a few sew-alongs in the subscription box below. So if you really want some help, you can go to the sew-alongs, and then it's even more easy to make this coat. But I think the illustrations really help with all the parts, and I really liked to make the pattern. What I also like about the pattern is that the seam allowance are included, and this makes it very easy to line up all the pattern pieces, especially when you are working on the sleeves. So it really makes sure that you can line up everything very easy, and that's very neat. And so I am really pleased with this pattern, and I think it is a great pattern if you want to make it. The things I like are the design of the coat, the fact that our lining and the outer fabrics are separate, so separate pattern pieces. I choose to make the pockets with zippers, but on the website from Waffle Patterns there is also free pattern for if you want to make a different kind of pockets, so that's very nice. And yeah, I really like my coat, and I will show you in a few seconds. And there are a few things I would have liked if they were a little bit different. What I would have loved if the size chart would have a little bit more information. Now there is only 3 sizes included, like the size from the chest, the waist and the hips, and I really would like it if there's also the measurement for the height. But that is something, if you make a 12 version, you have to check if the pattern is right for you. I also made a little hack for the hood, because in the pattern the hood is cut twice in the outer fabric. So I didn't really like that, because then you have, I really like if you have a cool lining that you can see the lining. Without any ado, I will show you my coat.